Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Today we have to discuss how we can design a garden and what is a basic principle to design a garden and which thing we need to design a garden. Here you can see different types of flowers, different types of plants in garden. Gardening is the important part of a good life. When you want to spend, you should have good garden. If you are interested in gardening, it keep healthy as well. Scene greenery outside in near us gives good impression to us and it is very really pleasant. As you can see flowers, there is a lot of greenery here. Houses look beautiful with greenery. The black meadows and the flowers are looking so nice. The garden is split into various parts. Each section is split into beds. Every bed is surrounded by an earthen uplift for flow, crops, fruits, vegetables, pumpkin, gourd, bitter, gourd, garlic, tomato, snack gourd, brinjal, bean, pea, cabbage, turnip, cauliflower, radish, Spanish, ladyfinger, etc. In addition, it is possible to grow various types of shrubs, creepers, and trees in a garden. Everything comes under the kingdom of plant. See the hanging of the ground. See greenery. Wow, amazing! Beautiful design of gardening style. Good, precious. Baskets of gardening. Uh, People are spotting garden, rooting grass, preparing beds, sowing seeds, planting trees, and watering crops on frequent basis by working. Gardening is a we can grow some vegetables as well.